30 जून को गोल्डन विंग्स अवार्ड सीज़न 4 होने जा रहा है दिल्ली में, जिसमें हम लोग संबलपुरी हब फैशन डिज़ाइनर है वो अपना ड्रेस वहाँ रिप्रेजेंट करने जा रहे हैं। जैसा कि सब जानते हैं संबलपुरी आउटफिट्स बहुत लोग पसंद करते हैं, बहुत कंफर्ट रहता है, तो हम इसको इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे लेके जा रहे हैं अपने ड्रेस को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए। ये हमारे सारे मॉडल्स हैं, ये हमारे सारे मॉडल्स हैं जो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे शो करने जा रहे हैं। संबलपुरी हब के डायरेक्टर एंड को डायरेक्टर सैम समेट्रे एंड राजीव पाढ़ी सर जो वहाँ रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे संबलपुरी कॉस्ट्यूम को।
तो ये पहली बार तो आपका नहीं है, यू हैव अचीव मैनी अवार्ड्स अर्लियर ऑल्सो एंड वी गॉट टू नो दैट one Tanushri Datta, one Bollywood actress, you give makeup to her and she won the award like that. So on that day you are also going to giving makeup to this all modeler or what? On 30th June or you simply lead them there?
Yes.
आप उनको लीड करेंगे सिर्फ?
Yes.
ठीक है ना? तो मेकअप के लिए who will make them? There are another person they will give him makeup.
नहीं, वहाँ हमको मेकअप आर्टिस्ट दिया जा रहा है क्योंकि मैं शो स्टॉपर भी हूँ, टीम लीड भी कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे इतना टाइम नहीं मिलेगा कि मैं मेरे मॉडल्स का मेकअप कर सकूँ।
So you are the show topper?
Yes.
Yeah, there on that particular RAM show. Show toppers.
Yes.
Well, तो आप कहाँ से हैं मैडम, आप बताइए?
I'm from Sambalpur.
Yeah. तो आप क्या करते हैं? What you are doing?
I'm a student and right now I'm in 11th grade.
Where?
I just finished my board exams.
Yeah. And yourself?
नमस्कार, मोर ना सीना सोनाली दास, मैं बरगढ़ आइसा है, संबलपुरी नानी।
Very good. ଆଉ ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ବି ସମ୍ପରି क्वेश्चन चाहले?
हाँ, नमस्कार, मोर ना श्रेया सुचिस्मिता साहू, मो ये भी बरगढ़ आइसे करेंटली मो ग्रेजुएशन सरलान और करेंटली मो ये संबलपुरी हब लगी मॉडलिंग कर।
बोले ई मॉडलिंग लगी इटा पहला आपनकर आई कि आगरो भी आउ करी छ?
नहीं, सेकंड पहला मो फोटोशूट आइसली और इटा सेकंड टाइम मो।
वेल बोले आपण भी इटा संबलपुरी पिनि छ?
नमस्कार, मो ना निवेदिता सराफ, मु जने वेलनेस कोच और इटा मोर फर्स्ट टाइम ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आमे बहुत खुशी है। सुनीता मैम को बहुत थैंक्स कहू छ।
बोले आपण माने निहाती रूपे संबलपुर लगी गोटे गौरव आणबे बोली हमर आशा विश्वास अच्छे विथ द लीडिंग्स ऑफ योर मैम सुनीता राजीव सोनी मैडम। अच्छा इने बोधे हमर एटा से बलांगीर रो बुइटे बे लागुचे नहीं काय ना आपन नाटा?
नमस्कार, मोर ना स्वागतिका कोय, मैं बलांगीर रो आ
मिस इंडिया कना पाई छलो बे लागुचे?
मिस ग्लोबल इंडिया और मिस टियारा क्वीनम भारत आ मते बहुत खुशी लगबा कि मुई दीदींकर संगे काम करबी संबलपुरी हब रे।
अच्छा आपण मनकर परिचय टिके मिलु ताले?
मो ना होची अलकापुर, मैं सुंदरगढ़ आइसे।
वेरी गुड।
और
आइटा पहला
एटा मोर फर्स्ट। नमस्कार, मो ना प्रतीक्षा प्रदर्शनी पटनायक, मैं बरगढ़ आइसे, इटा मोर सेकंड टाइम।
नमस्कार, मोर ना पालचिन बोई, मैं अताविरार में आइसा, इटा मोर सेकंड टाइम।
वेरी नाइस।
नमस्कार, मो ना जैस्मिन पटेल, आम कुचिंडा आइसे और इटा मोर सेकंड।
वेरी नाइस।
Hello everyone, I'm Hina Barik. I'm coming from Sundargarh and I love to be here. And it is actually it's my honor to represent our Sambalpuri dresses, designer dresses.
That means you are going to represent our Sambalpuri culture there.
Yes.
Okay, in national level and international level. Well, ma'am, you are also going to participate there?
यस सर, नमस्ते, मैं दीप्ति धावलिया झारसुगुड़ा से। मैं सोशल वर्कर हूँ और ब्लड अरेंज करती हूँ 24/7।
वेरी नाइस। जीवन बिंदु में भी आप हैं?
हाँ।
हमारे बिजू जनता दल के जीवन बिंदु में भी आप हैं?
नहीं, हम
अच्छा,
मैं झारसुगुड़ा से।
वेल, वेरी नाइस। So you see, dear friends, these are the new hope of our land, and we are damn sure that they will show their personality, abilities, and they will definitely bring success for our land. And as you know, our culture Sambalpuri is not now in Sambalpur, it is completed is dimensions gone to White House. As you all know that even the US President Barack Obama wife Michelle, she has also owned Sambalpuri. She wears Sambalpuri sari during the time of Deepavali, so it is not confined to a specific boundary. So you are the leader of a great culture, a great traditions, and hope you will bring ultimate success for our land, for our state as a whole, for our nation. Welcome to Mahan Media Production, Time Televisions. Here we are two dynamic personality of our Sambalpur, Odisha as a whole of the nations, Mr. Sam Samantray and Mr. Rajiv Padhiji, both are from Sambalpur, and as you all knows that they are just running a institution here in the name of Sambalpuri Hub, but it is existing in the WhatsApp, but it is working in the field. These two young men, by profession, they are engineers once, and both are from Bhishut. And the thing is that now they have changed their track and they have committed for the upliftment of our own culture, traditions, and our handlooms. You know, Sambalpuri culture is connected with our dance, music, handloom, everything. So these are the two persons, and we may say they are the icon of the culture. And the main thing is that they are now going to lead a team of 30 members from all over the countries, and out of which 20 members, probably 25 members, they all from Odisha, different corners, and the rest from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, New Delhi, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And this particular team going to participate in New Delhi on 30th June this year, a program organized by Golden Wing Awards International RAM Runway Session 4 to be held in New Delhi Arya Auditorium. So let me ask what they are going to do on it. Sir, you are welcome to Mahan Media Productions, and we wants to know from you that why this type of change came to you, because both you peoples are mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, like that, and as you stated that you both are engineers, work at Pune and somewhere in other part of the countries, and you have turned and come to a new world of fashion, and you see this is tradition culture of our own. Then why this turning point has come? How this has come to your life?
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving this opportunity. Namaste, good evening. Myself, Sam Samantray, the founder of Sambalpuri Hub, and he is Rajiv Padhiji.
Yeah, Rajiv.
Co-founder of Sambalpuri Hub. And you have just asked the good question that why I'm just going to convert into this line. The Sambalpuri Hub Trends and Fashions started earlier from before 2 years back.
In the year of 2020, that means.
In the year of 2020, at a time of COVID lockdown, here we check that many unemployment problem is there. Okay, and after that we just think about that. As we are engineers and we are work in the different state and countries also. Here we check that many are doing the hard work. Okay, but still they are not able to go through the success. Okay, so for that reason, and here we check that we are from the Odisha. जैसे बोलते हैं हम ओडिशा से हैं, जन्मभूमि हम लोगों का उड़ीसा है और संबलपुर है, और हम लोगों का यहाँ पे जो है संबलपुरी, जो कि हम लोगों का मेन पार्ट है, जिससे हम लोग जीते हैं, जो हम लोगों का ट्रेडिशन है, आर्ट है, कल्चर है, ठीक है, वो दिन को दिन हम लोग जो देखते जा रहे हैं वो भूलते जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो वही चीज कॉन्सेप्ट में ले.
So you want to uphold that culture,
yes,
our own cultures.
Our art cultures, not in national level, also in international level.
Friends, our voice also in forefront. Ladies first, not always ladies first. Here also boys first. And the most important is that one special persons, special categories. Aditya Dhabalia is just in front of me. He is a dynamic personality, possessing dynamic personalities. a judo karate master. Many things, many quality he has. He is also going to participate there in New Delhi on Arya Auditoriums in that international REM show. They all are, these are all the persons, they are all icons of our land, and they will represent our culture, our handloom in that particular REM show. So, please, sir, you are welcome. What's your name, please?
नमस्कार ମୋ ନାଁ ହେଲା ଲୋକେଶ କୁମାର ପଣ୍ଡା ମୁଁ ସୋନପୁରରୁ ବିଲଙ୍ଗସ୍ करते
କାଣା କରସନ୍
ଆଉ
ଆପଣ?
ମୁଁ ବୀର ସୁରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସାଏ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିରେ ମୁଁ ବିଟେକ୍ କରୁଛେ
ବହୁତ ବଢ଼ିଆ, very nice. ଆଉ ଆପଣ?
Good evening to all. Join us humbly. I am Siddhant Kumar Barik from Rourkela, Sundargarh district.
Yeah.
Recently ମୋର BTech complete ହେଇକି ମୁଁ ଏବେ modeling କରୁଛି ଆଉ acting classes
Very nice, very nice. And yourself?
नमस्कार ମୋ ନାଁ ମନୋଜ ଗୁପ୍ତା ମୁଇଁ ବରପାଲି ବିଲଙ୍ଗ କରୁଛେ ମୁଇଁ ବିଜନେସମ୍ୟାନ୍
Well, very nice. And yourself?
Hello, myself Ranjan Saraf. I am from Jharsuguda.
Yeah.
I am also actor and as a model.
Well, nice.
Also businessman.
Actor, model is both a nice combination.
Thank you, sir.
Hope you will be success there.
Thank you, sir.